Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about doing how you operate your research from a research topic to getting published work on those topics you have in mind. So I have a topic of domestic violence, and our topics and research is going to be done globally. So how are we going to get published work, rather articles on those different topics? So you go to your browser. We are going to use Google Scholar, as I showed you in my previous video, that Google Scholar is the best site to do your research, since it gives you the exact and precise work you are searching for, and it's easier to use it when you're doing your research. So as I said, you go to your browser. Here's the Google Scholar. You're going to open the site. It shows you as well that we are only looking for articles here. So articles are the published work online. They have their sources, they have their publishers, or they have their references as well. So we are going to click type domestic violence, yeah, and just put a comma. Globally. What I mean by globally is they're going to bring us domestic violence globally in maybe US, in Africa, in Europe, North America, South America, and Asia. You can include them in your search. US, Europe, North and South America, Africa, and East Africa. So the research, the way I've aligned my work on the top, but it starts from the lowest to the highest, right? So here they've started from East Africa or Africa. We have articles on domestic violence against women in North African and Middle East African countries. The year of publishment was 2013. The journals are here. So let's click. And these are I told you that this bar is for the references. So if you click here, we are going to see the references. They're here. The authors, the year of publishment, and their phrases, what they talked about. So we can first click on it and we see if they're having the detailed information we need and we are looking for. First published online August 5th, 2021. So this shows you that this is a published work you need. The abstract is here. They have also given us choices to download them. You can see it's here, full detailed with their publishers and year of publishment in the APA style of citation we earlier talked about. That's how the sites are, the citing should be. So to move on, We have the different authors here, phrases talking about it. This is one. You can get a PDF for it and download it, which I will demonstrate in my second video. Make sure you have subscribed so that you don't miss how to download published articles online. So this is a step to it. This is the first step you can take. Second step, you can continue looking because they've given us varieties. So let's search and see if they have given us our articles. The first one was Africa based. Then we have this for on global scales. We have African American women. We have in Europe and in America as well. So you can click on it. It's a book. They also sort it out if it's a book or not. So we are going to download it here, a PDF. This is free of charge, but in case these books are sold online, some are not supported in Uganda as a country or in different countries you're in, and they're not supported there in the online library. So you just have to buy them in dollars, which you can get them illegally using the Sky app, which I'm going to demonstrate visually in our next video. Please stay tuned and subscribe so that you don't miss any, as I said. So these are the rest of the references. They were cited by 508 and related articles are 18 in number. Using Google Scholar is interesting because it gives you every detail you need. But if you use this manual Google, trust me, you would get a lot of information without their sources. Maybe they're just picked from the newspaper, but the real publishers were not credited. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our next video as we are going to learn how to download these articles. These are just step-by-step guidelines on how to get published work on the internet. So let's make a summary of that so that you don't forget. We had a topic in mind globally. So you go to your browser and you look for Google Scholar. Once you've gotten Google Scholars, you use it to look for this published work. So from there, you are going to type in our topic in mind was domestic violence, and Google Scholars are going to bring you different articles and published work on that, rating from Africa to the highest country, which is Europe or USA. So all these articles and their year of publishment and their resources and their citations in the APS style or in the commonly used style in academic work are written, and PDFs are provided in case you want to download some free of charge. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned from this video.